Imagine this, your CTO says, hey, we need to check that all users in this list are verified before they can access the dashboard. Then you look at the given data and it looks like this. So you have an array of objects and in which every object represents a user. So now the question is, does every user have verified as true? So has the property verified as true? And if you are a beginner or you are new to JavaScript, you might write long lines of code with flags. So long lines of for loops with flags. So basically here is how it will look like. You will declare this variable, initialize your for loop, and with this variable you shall keep track whether if all are verified or not. So, and inside your for loop you have this condition to verify. So when we find someone that's not verified, that's not equals to true, we change our variable, our flag, to false, and we break the loop. So afterward we console log the result. So basically this works. As you guys can see, false, because there is someone with false here. So it works, but I will show you a method with way more less lines of code. Hello guys, I'm Alan. I share simple dev lessons on this channel or on this page that will save you time. So today we're going to talk about the every method. So here's the syntax of the every method. So the every method takes as parameter a callback function and an argument. So now normally the argument is optional, so normally we can only use the callback function, and it returns the return value of every. The return value is a boolean value, so either true or false. So now I will show you guys how to use the every method so as to answer this question easily and cleanly. So here we have a declare variable, so to check whether that answers where a boolean variable that answers whether we all users are verified or not. So to do that, we just like to use the every method, we just like you call the array bound with the every method near to it, and inside it we use a callback function, and the callback function will look like this. Sorry. And in the callback function we shall basically run a condition which says that user, so the user verify, so verify should be equals to true. So, and strictly equals to 2, and if it's not equals to 2, eventually we shall have false. So what happens here with every is that it checks every element in the array to see whether verify is true. That's just it. So let us save it and run the code so that you guys can see. Here's it. So we have the method with loop, we have false, the method with every, we have false. So basically two different methods with the same result, but one method is more cleaner than the other method. So that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want me to talk about something else, a concept in JavaScript that is difficult, let me know in the comments below. So every small trick that I share here makes my learning journey easier. And if you want me to do more videos like this, leave a like, leave a comment. We shall see in the next video. Thank you.